What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be talking about the things, the tricks, the 10 tips that you need to know if you are driving a manual car, which is gonna make it really easy and you'll be able to drive really easy. Because most of the people just think when they are driving a manual car, or they are just thinking they have to learn about manual car, how to drive a manual car, they are just thinking you have to do a lot of things and it's just really difficult. But it is not difficult, you just have to get the hang of it and you will be able to do it really nicely and easily. So it's not that difficult. So I'm just gonna tell you 10 tips which are gonna help you in driving a manual car. The first tip: smoothness is the key. You need to drive your car as smooth as you can, and you are gonna drive manual car really easily. Because if you are driving a car smoothly, then it will work properly and you won't be breaking a lot of parts on your car. The second tip is to be calm. When you are driving a car on the road, you are just thinking like what the other person is gonna think, which is behind you, and all of that stuff is happening in your mind. You need to be calm while you are driving, because most of the people don't even care. Like seriously, when are you gonna see them again in your life? You won't be meeting them again. That's the only point when you are meeting them and they are behind you. They won't even remember you after some time. So just be calm and drive nicely, because nobody cares. The third tip is don't rest your hand on the gear shift, because most of the people just do this. They are using their gear shift as their rest hand, and they are resting their hand on the gear shift while shifting, plus while normally driving and cruising on the highway or on the road. You shouldn't do that, because that's not good for your car. You are putting a lot of stress and tension on your clutch, which is not good, so you shouldn't do that. The fourth tip is to use handbrake on the hill. Like most of the people are just giving a lot of gas and partially releasing the throttle. You shouldn't do that. You should use the handbrake while you are driving on the hill. Like you are thinking that you are going to roll back and you are learning while you are driving, like you are learning on how to drive on a hill. What you need to do is pull up the handbrake, just put it in a gear and just release the clutch slowly, little bit of gas, and then release the handbrake slowly. And you'll be able to move really easily on the hill and you won't hit anybody, and you can just go out from there and you can just drive easily. And if you do hit, like by this method, you won't hit, and if you do hit, then you just have to run. The fifth tip is to downshift before acceleration. What most of the people do is, if they are cruising in 5th gear and they have to go fast, they'll just accelerate a lot and the car is just like lacking while it's just accelerating. So you should downshift before accelerating. You need not to be lazy. You shouldn't be lazy while you are driving your car, and if you are cruising and then you need to accelerate, you just can downshift and then you can accelerate, because this is just good for your car and for your engine. You are not going to put a lot of stress on your engine. And if you are just accelerating in 5th gear while cruising, that is not good for your car, so you shouldn't do that. The sixth thing is to don't rest your left foot on your clutch. Like that's the worst thing you can do to a manual car, because while you are driving a manual car, it's just like most of the people are just resting their left foot on the clutch, and the clutch is wearing out really quickly and it's not easy and cheap to replace the clutch. So you shouldn't do that, because that's just not good. And if you have that in your mind, you just need to learn how to drive without resting your left foot while you are normally driving or cruising. You just need to put your left foot on the clutch while you are shifting. Only at that moment you need to put your left foot on the clutch, otherwise just put it on your footrest. The seventh thing is to not give a lot of gas while you are driving. Like most of the people are just giving a lot of gas while they are driving and they just don't want to stall. So they just give a lot of gas while they are driving. This is the worst thing you can do, because you shouldn't do that. Your clutch is gonna wear out really quickly and it's just not good for your car and for your engine health. So you shouldn't do that. You can just drive your car on the clutch while you are just starting. You can just drive your car on clutch, and after starting you can give gas, because before that you should not give gas while you are driving, because it's not going to be good for you. If you want to gain some speed, then only give some gas. And if you are just normally driving, like you are just starting to move, just use your clutch for moving. That's it. The 8th tip is to never downshift in 1st gear, because that's really bad. While you are driving a manual car, you should never downshift in 1st gear. You should always keep in 2nd gear. Only and only if you are starting your car, put your car in 1st gear. Other than that, never put your car in 1st gear, because that's not good for your transmission and for your engine. It's just putting a lot of stress on your car. You can just use your 2nd gear instead of 1st gear. 1st gear is just for moving, not for accelerating and just normally driving. So never downshift in 1st gear. The 9th thing is never coast in neutral. Because what if while you are coasting, like you are coming to a stoplight and you are coasting in neutral, and what if you just have to accelerate? Suddenly there's a car and you have to accelerate. What if that situation happens? Then you won't be able to accelerate. You just have to shift gears and then you'll be able to accelerate, and that's not quick. So you shouldn't coast in neutral. You just need to be in gear while you are approaching to the stoplight, and when you are at the stoplight you can just be in neutral, but never coast in neutral. The 10th thing and the final thing, never get embarrassed to ask for help while you are driving, and if you are not able to do something, just ask for help. You shouldn't be embarrassed about it, because that's a nice thing if you are asking for help. Like if you have any problem, you can just ask for help. It won't hurt you and it won't embarrass you at all. Just don't be embarrassed while doing that, because it's a common thing. And if you are asking for help, it's just good for your car and for yourself, because you are just learning and you will be able to see how they are doing all of that stuff, and this will just improve your knowledge about that. So you should ask for help and never be embarrassed about asking help. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope this video helps you. You are just going to learn some tips while you are driving a manual car, and if you have some question, you can just comment down below and I'll be happy to reply to you guys, and I'm just going to be really happy about that. So just comment down below, and if you like this video, just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, because that helps me a lot. So peace out. Yeah.